Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do.
Hello, I just thought I'd update you with my decision of what I'm going to be doing in this area as soon as I get the onions all picked up. So this was the allium or onion bed with random beans and garlic in it. But they're getting to the point where they're thinking about being done. I think probably about 4 weeks ish until they are completely done, and I've already started that transition of what it's going to be once those have gone. I'm going to be doing the Four Sisters here. So I've got different types of squash all over. I just transplanted these. There's another one over there, there's another one there. Lots of them are vining. Some of them are bush types. And some of them I've just popped some seeds into the ground. Just so for basically every 4 feet there's going to be a squash of some description. And they're going to be the ground cover. I've got some sunflowers going randomly around. One there. Everywhere there's this a sunflower, I've gone ahead and just popped a bean in the bottom of them, and I've done this last year and it worked out pretty well. Got a fairly decent harvest, but we'll see. I've also got things like poppies and stuff like that because I just think it's so important to give the bees something to do. So yeah, that is the plan of this area. But of course, around the outside is going to remain the potatoes. And when they're done, I'm going to replant them and replant. The beans will be done probably in about two months. There's so many ants on there. But yeah, it's gonna work out all right.